Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be sharing my favorite body care products, especially to use in summers. All these products are mix of both affordable and high end. You can pick according to your preference. So the first category is body wash. The very first product I have is this Victoria's Secret body wash. This is the coconut milk rose body wash with coconut oil. This has a very thick creamy texture and you will need a very small amount of this and it lathers like very quickly. I don't really smell coconut or rose in this one, but it still smells very good. This is for 2799 rupees, but you can grab this in any of their offer. I'll put it in the description box if they are running any kind of offer right now, so you can check the description box. Second product I have is this Dove body wash. This is the almond cream and hibiscus one. Body care recommendations are never complete without a Dove product, so here we are. This has a very subtle and comforting fragrance which I really love. Texture of this is very beautiful. It has this creamy milky texture. This is for 949 rupees and you get this giant 1 liter bottle which will last you for a very long time. Only drawback I feel in this one is you can't travel with this because of how big the bottle is and you will have to shift it in a different bottle to be able to travel with it. Next one is this Brightest Bloom body wash by Bath and Body Works. So the fragrance notes in this one is lily of the valley, jasmine, sambuc, garden carnation and fresh cedarwood. So basically this smells floral but it has a very strong fragrance. So if you don't like fragrance in your body care products, you can definitely skip this one, and if not, it is a very good body wash. It has this beautiful gel like consistency and this retails for 2099 rupees and you get 295 ml. Next one is from St. Ives and this is my current favorite. This is their pink lemon and mandarin orange, and let me just tell you, this smells exactly like a mocktail, and every time I use this I always crave for a good mocktail. This is just perfect for summers and this has this little exfoliating particles in it which will gently exfoliate your skin. If you want to pick one body wash out of all these body washes, definitely pick this one. I highly recommend this one. This is my current favorite and I'm using this on daily basis. This retails for 499 rupees and you get 450 ml, which is a very good amount. Next category is body lotions, and the first body lotion I have is this Plum Oso Pistachio body lotion. I feel this is perfect for summers because it has this lighter consistency. I've tried their other body lotions which has like thicker consistency, which will be good for winters or for dry skin people, but this has lighter consistency which is good for summers and for oily skin people. All the Plum body lotions have like different consistency and I don't understand why they don't mention it on the bottle, whether it is suitable for dry skin people or for oily skin people. And again, this has a strong fragrance almost like a perfume. This retails for 495 rupees and you get 400 ml and it will easily last you for a couple of months. Next one I have is this Sol de Janeiro Badalada body lotion, and first of all I really love how it smells. It smells like sweet vanilla caramel. This has a creamy texture but it is like very lightweight and non-sticky. This absorbs into your skin very quickly. This retails for 3435 rupees and you get 400 ml, which is again a decent quantity because some brands charge more and provide less quantity. Next one is this Vaseline Gluta-Hya body lotion, and this is like serum in a lotion. This has a very light gel like consistency which is like perfect for summers. This is like absolutely non-sticky and it absorbs into your skin very quickly and leaves like no residue and smells very beautiful and comforting. This is for 350 rupees and you get 200 ml. Next product is this Gingham body lotion by Bath and Body Works. So the fragrance notes in this one is blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet and clean musk. So basically this doesn't have a floral fragrance. It smells fresh and gives you this beach water vibes. This again is very lightweight. It has this creamy velvety texture and your skin feels very soft after using this because of the velvety finish. This retails for 2199 rupees and you get 236 ml. Next product is this Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Daydream body lotion. Fragrance note in this one is plum sugar and white suede. This to me smells more like a bubblegum. It has this subtle bubblegummy fragrance. This has a beautiful creamy texture which hydrates your skin without making it sticky. This retails for 2699 rupees and you get 236 ml, and I just love everything about it, from the packaging to to the consistency, everything is like bang on. Next category is sunscreens, and the first one I have is this sunscreen from the brand called Sunscoop. Honestly, I bought this once when I was out of town and I forgot to pack my own sunscreen, but it turned out to be very good. This has SPF 50 plus. This has a creamy texture, but it is like very lightweight and non-greasy. This retails for 549 rupees and you get 200 ml, and it has this very subtle lemon-like fragrance. Next one is this Vaseline Gluta-Hya sunscreen. This has again SPF 50. This is a bomb product because for a sunscreen it has this gel-like consistency which makes it again very lightweight and non-greasy. This retails for 699 and you get 175 ml. If you want just one sunscreen recommendation, this is the one. Just get this one and you will be sorted for summers. Next category is fragrance, and the first product I have is this Dove Deo Stick. I mentioned this in my winter body care recommendations too, and I feel this product should be a must for everybody. It just makes you feel fresh. So this is a deo stick and you have to apply it on a clean skin, and it prevents sweat and sweat odor and makes you feel fresh. This is only available on Amazon and I think it should be a must for summers. This is for 347 rupees and you get 40 grams, and this easily lasts me for almost a month. The second one I have is this KLE Sweet Banana perfume, and the keynotes in this one is sweet banana, pear, coconut cream, jasmine, sandalwood and vanilla, and I just love this perfume. I have other luxury perfumes but this one is my favorite. Ever since I got it, I just can't put it down. और जब भी मैं कहीं बाहर जाती हूँ तो मैं सोचती हूँ मैं कोई और fragrance apply करूँ, but I always end up picking this one. It is so good, I can't even tell you. If you want to buy like any luxury perfume, I think you should definitely buy a KLE perfume. They have the kind of fragrance variety which no brand has. They have like all sorts of perfume. I mean pistachio, apple, pear, peach, vanilla, you name it and they have it. And I mean I just love KLE as a fragrance brand. This was the actual investment of money because I'm genuinely using this. Obviously this is a luxury perfume so this is a bit expensive. This is for 8,600 rupees. Next one is this Waikiki Beach Coconut Body Mist by Bath and Body Works. Fragrance notes in this one is tropical white coconut, saltwater breeze and sun bleached woods. This has this beautiful sweet coconutty fragrance which gives complete summer vibes, and I just love this. This retails for 2,299 rupees and you get 236 ml. This will last you for a very long time. Mine lasts for at least from 6 months to 1 year. Next mist I have is from Victoria's Secret. This is the Pure Seduction fragrance mist. This has juiced plum and crushed freesia. This again smells like very sweet and bubblegummy. This retails for 2,699 rupees and you get 250 ml. Last category is hand creams, and the first one I have is this OG L'Occitane Shea Butter hand cream. It moisturizes your hands like very beautifully. This is like almost over for me. For some people it can be a little greasy because it do leaves a little bit of residue, but it's fine for me because I like my hands to be properly moisturized. This is for 1,050 rupees and you get 30 ml. This is a travel size one but they have other quantities in this. Next one I have is this Body Shop Strawberry hand cream. This is basically perfect for summers because this has a gel like formula which absorbs into your skin very quickly and it moisturizes your hands without making it greasy. So if you don't like a greasy feel after using a hand cream, this is the perfect one. This retails for 445 rupees and you get 30 ml. Last and the final product I have is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Touch hand cream. This again has a Chirosa 62 fragrance which is their best seller. This is a creamy formula but fast absorbing. This retails for 1,670 rupees and you get like 50 ml. Although all these products are my favorite, but if I have to pick one from each category, these are the ones. From body washes, I'll pick this Santives body wash. From body lotions, I'll pick this Gingham body lotion by Bath and Body Works because of its velvety finish and how soft it leaves my skin after applying this. From sunscreens, I'll pick this Vaseline Gluta-Hya sunscreen. Fragrance mein, I'll always pick my KLE fragrance. From hand cream, Sol de Janeiro hand cream. This is like not too matte and not too moisturizing. This lies somewhere in between. So yeah, that was it. These were my body care recommendations for summers. I feel if you buy any of these products, you will absolutely love it and you will definitely not regret your purchase. Let me know your favorite body care products in the comment section. And yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.